भारतीय न्याय संहिता 2023 सेक्शन 111 it is not enforceable by law, but section 111 is organized crime. Section 111 name is called organized crime. In first, any constituting unlawful activity including kidnapping, robbery, vehicle theft, extortion, land organizing, con- contracting killing, economic offense, cyber crimes, trafficking of persons, drugs, weapons or illicit goods or services, human trafficking for the prostitutions or ransoms by any persons or a group of persons acti- acting in concern singly or jointly either as a member of organized crime syndicate or on behalf of such a syndicate by use of violence, theft of violence, intimidations, coercions, or by any other unlawful means to obtain direct or indirect material benefit, including a financial benefit, shall constitute organized crime. Explanation: for the purpose of these subsections, organized crime syndicate means a group of two or more persons who acting either singly or jointly as a syndicate or a gang indulge any constitute unlawful activity. Continuing unlawful activity means an activity prohibited by the law, which is cognizable offence punishable with imprisonment of 3 years or more, undertaken of a person either singly or jointly as a member of organized crime syndicate or on the behalf of such a syndicate in respect of such more one one charge sheet have been filed before a competent court within the preceding period of 10 years and the court has taken cognizance of such an offence and includes economic offence. Number 3, the economic offence, including the criminal breach of trust, forgery, counterfeiting of currency, notes, bank notes, and government stamps, hawala transactions, mass marketing, fraud, or running any schemes to defraud several persons or doing any act in any manner with the view of defraud any bank or financial institution or other institution or organizations for obtaining monetary benefit in any form. Whoever commits organized crime shall, if such offence has resulted in the death of any persons, be punished with death or imprisonment for life, and shall also be liable to fine. Such shall not be less than 10 lakh rupees. Any other cases be punished with imprisonment for terms which shall be not be less than 10 years, but which may extended to imprisonment for life and shall also be liable to fine, which shall not be less than 10 lakh. Moreover, awaits attempt, conspiracy or knowing facility to commissions of an organized crime or otherwise engage to any conspiracy or an organized have self punished with imprisonment for a term will shall not be less than 5 years or which may extended to imprisonment to life and also be liable to fine which shall not be less than 5 lakh rupees. Number 4, any person who is a member of an organized crime or syndicate shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 5 years, but which may extended to imprisonment for life, and shall also be liable to fine, and shall also uh, not be less than 5 lakh rupees. Number 5. Whoever intentionally harbors concerning any person who has committed the offense of an organized crime shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may not be less than 5 years, but less than 3 years, which may extend it to imprisonment for life, and shall also be liable to fine which shall not be less than 5 lakh rupees, provided that subsections shall not apply to any case in which the harbor or concealment is by the spouse of the offender. Number 6. Whoever possesses any property derived or obtained from the commissions of an organized crime or proceeds of any organized crime, or which has been acquired through this organized crime shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 3 years, but which may extend it to imprisonment for life, and shall also be liable to fine which shall not be less than 2 lakh rupees. Number 7. If any persons on the behalf of a member of an organized crime syndicate is or at any time has been possessions of movable or immovable property which we cannot satisfactorily according for shall be punishable with imprisonment for a terms which shall not be less than 3 years, but which may extend it to imprisonment for 10 years, and shall also be liable to fine which shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees. If you are liking it, then share it. It is information. Again, I am telling you, this was explanations of the section 111 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, which is not enforceable. If you are like it, and subscribe this channel and share it. Thank you.